Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Subaru Legacy Touring Wagon. It is 4x4. It has the 2.0 liter non-turbo 4-cylinder EJ20 with an automatic transmission. This Legacy has 63,518 original miles. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. Alright, I did want to let you know that this vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. The number that y'all are seeing down here, 102,223. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 63,518. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Okay, got my glove on. All right, we're going to start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. I did want to tell you guys, thank you so much for the continual support. It really does mean a lot to us. We really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank y'all so much. I pray y'all have a blessed and safe day.